This isn't just a wig, it's a crown. And like every crown, it carries a story of resilience, of grace, of survival, and of peace. Purple and gold, those are colors. Those are rare colors. But royalty isn't always born. It's earned through fire, through tears, through the ache of becoming. There are some people who try to break you, not just your heart, but your spirit, who spoke words that lingered longer than they should have, who left when you needed them most, who made you question your own reflection. But there is you, still creating, still breathing, still placing piece after piece of yourself back together. Every strand I twist, every track I lay, I do it with intention. Because healing doesn't happen all at once, it comes in pieces, like this wig, slow, steady, patient. Sometimes the pain we carry isn't loud, it's silent. It shows up in how we doubt ourselves, how we shrink to make others feel bigger, how we say I'm fine when we are anything but. As I run my fingers through these strands, I am reminded that beauty can still come from broken places, that your story isn't, that your story is still worth, even with the cracks. This color purple is royal, bold, soft but strong. It speaks of what, of your soul that's seen pain but choose not to stay there. You don't need a throne to be rare. Jesus, sorry. You don't need a throne to be royal. You just need to know your value. And this gold is the part of you they couldn't touch. The sparkle that still shows up in your smile, even after the storm. It's the fire in your laugh, the softness in your heart. It's your worth, unshakable, untouchable. They tried to reduce you to your mistakes, to the times you fail, to the moments you didn't feel strong, but gold doesn't lose value. Just because it's been buried, you are still gold. I know life hasn't been easy. Some days feel heavy, like the weight of the world sits on your shoulders. But I need you to hear this. You were never meant to carry it alone. There is grace that covers you, mercy that follows you, healing that's finding you even now. You may have been overlooked, misunderstood, rejected, but not forgotten. God still sees you, still knows your name, still calls you worthy, chosen, deeply loved. And every time you rise, when you get up one more time, even it hurts, heaven celebrates. Just know, heaven celebrates. You are not what they said about you. You are not your worst day. You are not the heartbreak, the mistake, or the abandonment. You are heart. You are divine design. You are a crown wearer, light carrier. You are allowed to rest, to breathe, to heal. Don't let the world rush your recovery. There is no shame in taking your time. Even this week took hours of work, care, and intention. You too are being shaped in quiet moments. You are not behind. You are exactly where you need to be. You are exactly where you need to be to find what was always in you. Power, peace, and purpose. Power, peace, and purpose. Let this crown remind you, you are still becoming, you are still worthy of love that doesn't leave, of friendships that feel like home, of mornings without anxiety, of nights filled with peace. This isn't just about hair. This is about honor, the honor of still being here, of showing up, of choosing softness in a hard world. So when you wear this piece, walk in boldness, stand in truth, let the world know the crown didn't break you, it made you. They tried to silence you. They tried to silence you, to dim your light, but you became a lighthouse. Still golden, still royal, still rising. This is your reminder you didn't lose your crown. You just learning how to wear it differently. Guys, love ya. Stay focused. Never let anyone put you down. Love you all. Take care. I sign out.